Hello friends, welcome to How to Do It. Today I'll show you how to link JavaScript in HTML. So let's start. So I think you see my editor, and then I'll create a new file, JavaScript file. Like we can write the script.js. Then here in the just script, right, and source. Then you can just type the source. If you JS file in folder, then you can just there like JS, then your I just show you. You can create JS folder, then you can just path assign here. Okay, now open here. Now we can just type alert hello. Then now I just reload here. JavaScript link is yeah. My it's working. JavaScript is working now. So that's it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.